I recall it was a fall morning, and I was on my way to high school, driving alone. And I had saved my money working all summer to buy this car. It occurred to me that I was turning, but the opposing traffic had stopped except for one giant truck. As I made the turn, I realized he was still going, and that's where there was an impact. It was just a lot of shock, panic, and embarrassment all in one moment. The eyes of every car in that intersection were on me, feeling like she shouldn't have a car, she shouldn't drive. I didn't know what was happening at all. Maybe my car was on fire. I just sat there in shock. If I wasn't wearing a seatbelt, I don't think I would be here today.